Hello, what's up mga katoy? So welcome back for another unboxing video natin. So nakikita nyo, this is the newest release from SH Figuarts, Yu Yu Hakusho Kurama, or we known as Dennis sa Ghost Fighter, dito sa Philippine TV adaptation niya. So this is the front window of the box, the side art of the box, the back of the box, ayan. May kasama tayong DLC faceplate ni Eugene or ni Yusuke. Ito yung isang side of the box niya. So, ayun nga pala. Before we open this, I just want to say na nakuha natin siya na maaga since the release in the Philippines or global nito should be June or July this year, 2026. But they release this one in Japan noong April 18. So, I waited for 2 weeks. Kaya sobrang bilis na paaga yung padala sa atin dito sa Philippines, and sobrang thank you rin pala sa Tamashii Nations Japan. Tara, let's open it up. Ito yung gilid ng box natin. Yan sa loob. Ayan yung ibang manual. Unlike other SHF, meron silang talagang paper manual or instruction. Ito wala. Nandito na sa gilid. Ayan, we have 2 trays here. Ito yung ating figure, tsaka yung accessories. Then, ito yung extra tray na nandito yung kanyang latigong rosas or the rose whip. So, meron tayo dito kung piece ng damit niya. Ayan, sa likod. Ito yung nilalagay. Kung gusto mo nakaposing na parang nililipad ng hangin. Ayan. Ang nipis niya, soft rubber lang siya. Ayan. Extra piece ng hair, ng bangs niya na hinahangin din yung rose. Ayan. Ito yung nagiging latigong rosas We have 3 extra faceplates here. Yung syempre yung pang-apat, yun yung nasa figure, neutral. Ito meron tayo ditong itong neutral face din pero nakatingin sa kaliwa. Ito yung isa, yung kanyang yelling face or maybe a shouting face. Ito naman yung teeth greeting. Ayan. So we have a bunch of alternate hands here. So we have a pair of relaxed hands left and right. Tapos meron tayo ditong 3 grabbing hands. Yung 2 left and right dun sa kanyang rose whip. Yung isa pang hold nung rose lang. Then another set of pair of another relaxed hands, I guess. Pero magkaiba kasi sila ng itsura kung titignan nyo. Parang posing for for attack mode or something, or fighting stance, parang ganun yung isa. And of course, our DLC faceplate for Yusuke or Eugene. Ayan yung umiiyak na expression ng kulit oh. And of course, ang ating rose whip torn. Ayan, kanyang latigong rosas. And yung mga tinik niya, siya, soft rubber. Pero sa loob, ayan bendable wire siya. Ayan. Tapos may mga gap kung makikita nyo. Ayan yung mga hati. Siguro natatanggal siya. Ayan, nabubukas siya kung tutusin. Ayan yung wire niya sa loob. And lastly, of course, ang ating Kurama or Dennis figure. So, let's proceed with the articulation. Wait, tanggalin lang natin itong plastic. Ayan. Let's check with the head, side to side. Tilt. Ayan. Looking down this much. Look up this much. Sa kanyang T-pose, ang shoulders. Meron din siyang butterfly joints. Ayan. Nakikita nyo. Ang ganda ng butterfly joints niya. I guess this is one of the newly engineered mold ng SHF. Kanyang double jointed elbows. Kanyang wrist hinge at saka ring spec. Dito sa kanyang upper ab crunch. Yan, side to side. Down, go up. Sama natin yung lower sa waist. Side to side, tilt, down, up. Ayan. Tapos pagdating dito, ayan na, dahil malambot na to, ayan, talagang pwede siyang ma-twist. I mean, ma-fold, sorry. Kung po-posing to. Ayan, sa kanyang crotch area. Of course, we have the thigh swivel, the double jointed knees, yung kanyang ankle swivel or ankle rocker. Ayan, medyo sobrang squeaky pa, tight na tight, bago kasi. So ayun, let's proceed with the height comparison with other figures. So here's a side-by-side height comparison with our 1/4 scale HG Gundam RX-782 sa left, and sa right natin yung Saint Seiya Blockies. So another height comparison with our SHF Luffy, Raid on Onigashima, and Marvel Legends X-Men 97 Cyclops with a custom Scott Summers head. So ayan, side by side with our Storm Arena Street Fighter Alpha 3 review and Star Wars Black Series Darth Vader. And of course, side by side with our Dasin models, Kishin Doji Zenki and Rurouni Kenshin. Actually, we have a Yu Yu Hakusho na ni-release from Dasin model din. Kung makikita nyo guys, ang laki ng Dasin model, 'di ba? Ang liit lang ni SHF. Yung ni-release na Ghost Fighter na Eugene, Alfred, Vincent, and Dennis, halos sinlaki nito. Yun ang hindi ko na-collecta way back 2022, and now sobrang rare niya na sa market dito sa Philippines, especially Alfred and Vincent. Wala ka nang mahanap na ganun ngayon. Halos wala, kung meron man, ang mahal. Kaya I'm looking forward with the SHF na makomplete din sana nila, and I hope next year release nila si Kuwabara, Kazuma Kuwabara, or we known as Alfred dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. So ayan, mas gusto ko sana yung Dasin, kasi kung makikita nyo, Dasin meron silang soft goods and mas malaki yung height. Kung nag-release lang sana si SHF ng soft goods dito sa ibang figure nila, even kasama na tong Ghost Fighter na to, mas maganda sana, mas magugustuhan talaga yung SHF. Pero mas doon sila nakilala, yun yung trademark na SHF, plastic talaga ang kanilang mga damit. Yan, nakikita nyo, dati matitigas pero ngayon malambot na. Syempre nagbabago ang engineering mold when it comes to figures. Although may mga naman soft goods, pero usually ginagamit nila capes, jackets, doon nila ginagamit. Pero mas maganda talaga kung ginawang soft goods eh. Ang pinaka-the best lang talaga pag ganito, mas na-maximize may articulation kasi kapag plastic siya, hindi soft goods. Yun lang yung the best dito. Maybe yun din yung ginawa ni SHF. Kaya hindi sila masyado sa soft goods, or yung magamit lang sila cape or cloak lang, ganun lang. So, ayun. Thank you for quick review guys ng ating Dennis or Kurama ng SHF Figure Arts. And I'm happy na sobrang aga tong pinadala sa atin, kasi talagang pa siya late pa siya darating actually dapat. Pero dahil maaga nga sa Japan at maswerte tayo, thank you sa Tamashii Nation and JP fans na up. Yun, gusto nyo bumili guys, search nyo lang JP fans, pabili kayo doon. And ayun, thank you for watching, and let's have some mga konting poses for our figure.